Let's create the following directories: mkd app, so the app directory for the application high level, source directory for the rest of the source code, and let's create the app init.hpp file and app init.cpp file. Next, let's create options.hpp file inside of the source directory. Also, file for generated PNG, we'll call it png_gen, and QR code gen. Next, we are going to add those files to our repository. So we'll do it git add and then the file names. And the next, let's commit it to git commit -m and give it the name to this commit. It appears that we will need to introduce the user email and username for the repository. We start the user email, git config user.email, and then you need to introduce the email. Next will be the username and maybe like your name or your company name, whatever you need to do or prefer. Now git status. And now we can commit git commit -m. Git k will display us the commit. That's it. Next, we'll add two submodules from Git. One for PNG generation and the other for QR code generation. You can have a look at the Git modules file, and let's commit those changes as well. Now let's see what we got with git k. Here we have two submodules, so that added. Next thing, we want to make sure that our submodules are actually checked out into our repository. To do so, let's type in git submodule update init recursive and hit enter. It will copy the contents of those remote submodules into our local directory where our project is.